Alright, so this video is to help you get your diesel truck back running. So check it out. My truck was giving me issues to start early in the morning. Once the temperature got cool, this when this started. It was hard to crank. It took longer and longer to start every morning as it got colder. It got to the point where I had to get new batteries or whatever. I wound up burning out like 2 starters, an alternator, and it would take 2 cars to get my truck running. I would have to get 1 car on each battery to get it crunked. Well, long story short, I wound up replacing the fuel injector control module because it got to the point to where the truck just wouldn't do nothing. It just wouldn't give me any power. I had charged up batteries, brand new starter, alternator, all of that, and it just wouldn't do anything. So I replaced the fuel injector control module, and it crunked right up after that. As soon as I put it in, and that was it really. It's been running ever since, and I found out that I had bad fuel injectors too. So I'm guessing the bad fuel injectors caused the fuel injector control module to go out. And I'm gonna pop my hood, show you where it's at. I'm gonna crank mine up. Somebody broke in my truck and stole it, so I gotta crank it like this. Show you what I have to do every time I crank mine. I have to turn these little gears in there. But instead of trying to crank it like that, I improvise. My phone dead. I can't even see my screen. There you go. Improvise and put that in there. And you can tell it take kind of longer to crank still. Watch it. It really didn't take as long as it usually do, but that was pretty quick. I got smoke coming from my oil dipstick. I don't know why. Somebody can help me out and tell me why. And if somebody can tell me what does this go to. It's coming from right here. It's coming from this right here. Anybody can tell me what that's supposed to be connected to. What this is supposed to be connected to. We have the fuel injector control module right now.